Hi friends, so till now we have made the basic configuration for the website. So next we will start to create our first controller, right? As we have mentioned in our config file, our first controller is home and the function is index, right? So just open the controller file and create home controller.php and open it with your favorite IDE. Just give it a PHP symbol. Class home controller. So no need to extend anything over there, and create public function index, right? So just make it as here echo hello, right? So hope things should work. So we'll go here, give localhost and then foreach2Bi, spelling mistake is there, is to be Smarty underscore master. To for each to be Smarty spelling right. So it goes into our controller, right? So this is how you need to write down your controller. Just create a file in the controller folder with controller.php and then come to the controller and then make sure you're having it like this, right? And if you want to render a file, any file from the view part, you just give it as return view double is to render, right? So what is the which file you are going to render, just give that file and it will automatically render you the view file, right? So just I'll just make it as a root base directory. I think something is wrong, right? So I'll go to templates folder, right? So in templates folder I'll just make a folder called home, so that create new directory, so that all files from the home controller will be taken over there. I think the new directory was taken here, just delete it. Instead of doing that, I'll just go into the folder here. I'll just create a home folder here, right? So that belongs to the home controller, so that I can have separate ideas over here, right? So I'll create index.html, right? So I come to my IDE, I will open that folder, home, so index.html. Here I will say echo okay, right? So view is equal to render, so which you need to render in the templates folder, home folder and index, right? So I'll just make it as home/index home/index.php, sorry, home/index. So it will automatically render the value. So just go here and give enter, so that will be automatically rendered here, right? Remember, this will be a Smarty templating engine and you can pass the Smarty variables over here. So in the next tutorial we will see how we are going to pass the Smarty variables to this HTML, right?